Finally, this has been 12 years, so 13 years. I think I've had my MR2 for almost 13 years. I'm going to take it to get painted today. I'm really excited. Finally, the car absolutely needs painted. Here's my Toyota CELICA GTS. It's perfect. Same guy is painting it, so I should have very similar results. In my pocket, I do have a list of, or here it is. Let me grab it real quick. So I do have a list right here. This is what I'm going to give to Clayton, my guy that paints it. I'm going to do the windshield surround OEM black. So the front part right here on the MR2, I'm going to do it black. I'm going to do the front bumper, the existing paint job that's on it, but the same style, but just brand new. I'm going to get the front bumper so it's flush with the passenger side fender. It's not flush. I'm going to have him do that. The wing is going to be the same style, so it's where the black end caps with the black mid blade. Black hardtop, so I'm just going to have him redo the hardtop OEM black, which will be nice. It came OEM black, so it's cool. I'm going to have him smooth out the passenger side door. There's kind of like a little line buckle on it, so I'm going to have him smooth it out so it looks perfectly flush. I'll see how well he can do that. There is a little buckle on the door. Paint the unfinished engine bay. So on one of the sides, the engine bay is unfinished. It needs to be like refinished on it so it looks good when I pop it open so you guys can see the 2ZZ turbo. I want that perfect. And then I'm going to do the match. So I'm going to match the rear bumper to the existing style. So I'm just going to do the same style. I'll eventually get a center exhaust for the MR2. I'll do that after I get this car. This will probably take 1 to 2 months to get it painted, so I don't mind having the car away. During that time, I'm going to lower my CELICA GTS and maybe install a turbo kit on the CELICA. But the car will be gone for some time, just as this car took like 2 months to get painted. They take about 2 months to get painted. Then I'm going to bring my OEM headlight cover, or the, not OEM, but I'm going to paint the C1 headlight covers, so I'm going to grab those real quick. I'll show you guys those. I'm going to paint those OEM black. I think that'll look good. So it'll be a lot of red, a lot of black, all OEM looks, it'll look brand new, showcase. The reason I'm doing this is because I wasn't sure if I was going to paint the car or if I was going to get a Lotus Exige or a lease. I decided not to get that Lotus Exige, so I'm just going to paint the car and have it perfect. It's pretty expensive. Paint jobs are like $3,000 to $6,000 American USD. My painter's a good friend of mine, so he'll do it really good. I don't know if you guys can hear this, but that's my girlfriend driving the Evo. So she's going to drive the Evo. Let's go ahead and check it out real quick. So here's my Evo 10. It's like actually mint. My girlfriend's gonna drive it and then she'll pick me up, and then here's the MR2. It's actually raining outside, so it doesn't look like it's in that bad of condition, which is crazy, but it really is in bad condition. The whole clear coat up here has faded off, so that needs to be redone. This is always just painted by me, so this is not a very good job. It'll look really nice. All the paint's coming up on here, all the paint came up here. This looks pretty good. The OEM hardtop actually is pretty good condition. This is what I was talking about. This is gonna be black right here, so black and black. I decided to do that. That's gonna be a big change. I'm gonna have these painted red OEM. Everything else is gonna look the same. The front bumper does not match color at all, total different colors. That's because I painted that myself, but that's the same style that I'm gonna be doing. So, oh, let me grab those headlight covers really quick. And then this is where I was talking about, this fender's not line perfect. Let's look here. See, this is not align perfect, so I'll have him align that like perfect. And then there's a little line right here. Right here, you guys see that? So I'll have him just, I don't know if he'll be able to sand it out or whatnot, but I'll try to have him get that perfect. Those are kind of the major flaws with the car. They're not major, but that's just, you know, this being a really famous car and everyone kind of knowing this car. Every time I take this car out, everyone says, oh, it's MITCH DORE. They know this car. It's really unique looking. It's weird. It's different. So it'll be nice to have it perfect. But let's grab those headlight covers. All right, so we're off Evo. Whew, MR2. This is gonna be so great when this is finally painted. I cannot wait. It'll finally be perfect. So let's go ahead and start this thing up. I gotta instruct him on a lot of things. It's funny because one thing, the MR2 always takes a little bit to turn over. You gotta like prime it. See right there, and now it goes. The other thing is I do have the super class shift knob that has where the reverse is, because this is a C60 transmission on here. Also the e-brake is loose, so the car, if you don't pull it all the way up, the car starts to roll away. I will do a video how to fix that. And then here are the covers right here. I painted these many years ago, horrible job. So I'll have him sand those down. And then if he wants to install them, great. If not, I'll just do it myself. But I want these perfect, because I will install these headlights covers back on. And I'm gonna do them black. I like the black with that. I think it looks good. All right, so we're in the MR2, we're headed out. It's quite a bit of ways to drop this car off to get painted, so it'll be gone for some time. I'm really excited to kind of, hopefully maybe pull it in to the garage. I doubt it though. probably just leave it outside, and then I'll instruct my good buddy Clayton. I'll instruct him how to paint the car and what I want done to it, and then I'll just let him take his time to do it, because he does a really good job. But in the background, I don't know if you guys can see that the Evo's back there, and it looks so good. Man, that Evo is beautiful. I love watching my own car drive. It's always fun. Damn, my girlfriend's a badass. She just did a flyby on me with my own Evo. That is a sexy ass Evo. Oh my god. Yo, is that MITCH DORE? Hey, what's up? Say what's up to YouTube. Yeah, hell yeah.
What's your channel?
MITCH DORE.
MITCH DORE?
Yeah, MITCH DORE.
MITCH DORE. Alright, man.
That was funny. They're like, yo, what's up? Is that a car channel? I was like, no, dude. These are just mine. So we're in the MR2. We're on our way to get it painted. I'm really excited. This is by far the most fun car I have, though. By far. This is way more fun than a CELICA. This is way more fun than the Evo. This is just super fun. I love this car. The other thing with it too is that I'm gonna justify a little bit, but the Exige, the seats are so uncomfortable. It's like sitting on metal. It's like metal with cloth over it. Also, it's a very tight compartment. The visibility on the Exige is zero, like on the back of it, but on the front, it's unbelievable. It's so cool. The MR2 kind of has the same thing, where if you look at the little red right here where the wheel well is, it raises up kind of like a Porsche. The Lotus Exige does the same thing, has a high arc, but a very low front, so you can like see the ground right in front of you. I really find that attractive on cars. Overall, the MR2 is much more practical and much more comfortable, and it has a lot more creature comforts. It just doesn't look as cool. That's the one thing. The Exige has the best looks on a car ever, and hopefully I'll get one. I am kicking myself that I didn't get that black one, but we're gonna fix up my MR2 to look nice, and I'll be in love with it again. All right, turn the headlights on. Ooh. All right, turn the headlights off. All right, babe, turn the headlights on.
Yeah.
Turn them on, babe. Ooh, so nice. He's gonna have a hard time driving this car because it's hard to drive this car. This is what I did last time. Just leave the MR2 here. We'll do one final rock round. I'm gonna move the seat up just a little bit because I'm so tall and I feel like everyone always has a little bit of trouble sitting in it. So, there we go. Alright, that's it. So this is gonna be the final walk around of the little MR2. There's the Evo, but that's it. It ate a leaf today. It's should look all nice. So I mean, oh, there's a big scratch here. I forgot about this too. The car actually came with that, so I don't know if someone keyed it or whatever when I originally got it. But so he's just gonna buff this all. The paint is so bad on that hood, but it'll look nice. It looks like there's some condensation that I got in the headlights, but that's okay. So just remember this. During like a nice sunny day, it really brings out the how bad the damage is. But right now, like you can look, it's water damage. But during the rainy kind of season right now or whatever, it looks pretty decent. But it's actually not. It's not show car worthy. So it'll be nice to have it show car worthy. Even like right here, this part has some scratches on it, and right here, so it'll look nice. The whole car's gonna get repainted, like $2,000 or $3,000. How much they usually cost. It'll look awesome. I can't wait. Yeah, I mean, just look at all this. It's junk. It'll look nice. It'll be new. It'll get the attention it deserves. Yeah. Eva, I think we need gas.
Yes.
Yeah. All right.
See me come around the roundabout?
Yeah, you're all boosting it.
It slid.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah. I corrected it.
Good job. Save the Evo. Save the Evos. Yeah, that's good. I'm gonna grab a photo. I think I'm gonna title this video like saying goodbye to the MR2. All right, that's it. So on the driver's side passenger door, there's a slight buckle. And I don't know if you can just sand it and make it smoother. If not, that's okay. You know, just it's never gonna be perfect. You have to replace the door. So if you just want to grind it down as much as you can, I'm okay with it. It doesn't really drive me nuts. It's not that bad. But it almost looked like a body line, kind of. Yeah. But I can't find. It's hard to find doors for this car, so I was looking just for a door for it. But and then there's one other thing that I wrote it on that list. But like this can all be the same matching color, but it doesn't need repainted just like the other one does. This is the engine bay little thing right there. You pull on it. This part right here is like all perfect. This part looks perfect, but the other one doesn't. So I don't know if you can just that's the only part. Otherwise, it's just exterior. But this is the only part right here. Yeah, and you can even paint over this or whatever. I don't really care. You don't have to move any. Just maybe mask this and just I don't know. You're gonna have to pull the headlight or tail light off anyways, but that's the only one right there. Because I take this to car shows, and then when I pop it open and this little part doesn't match. Someone pointed it out. What happened here? I was like, oh. So, yeah, that's about it though. There's a list on there of things on there. You can call me like you always do, and take your time. I don't care if you do it in a month or two.
Okay.
Not gonna use this till 2020, so if you wanna leave it here. And then, yes, yeah, you have my email. Perfect. All right.
Alright,
Good seeing you. Thanks. I'm always gonna come back. You're my guy. See you, Clayton. This car is it's pretty hard to drive. The MR2 has a lot going on. The clutch is great though. I like the clutch on it. All right, little MR2. We'll see you in another life. That is crazy. I've been wanting to get this car painted for like 13 years. Wow. There it goes. See you later, buddy. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Say goodbye to the MR2. It's gone. That's gone. Hit the thumbs up button for it for when your girlfriend drives your Evo. That's enough to get a thumbs up for it. That's awesome. Oh my god. Woo! Oh, damn. Hit the thumbs up button for that. That's a good thumbs up. Make sure to like and subscribe, guys. We'll have the car back on the channel. I'll do a reveal video for that one in a while. To be honest, that car is so sick. I do just want to get a center exhaust, and then I do want to have Brandon Washnish. I'd like to him actually do a video edit. It's gonna be awesome. All right, guys. I'll see you on the next one.